Okay, so I have a 2008 Toyota Matrix, and I just wanted to show how to replace the blades in case you're wondering. This would probably apply to any brand, but I actually am going from aftermarket to back to Toyota. These are the model numbers: 85212AZ015TA and 85212AZ007TA. So it's a TA33 hook 450, TA36 hook 530. And this is what I paid for them. And to take it out, you just need to raise this clip up and then slide this backwards because it's a J hook, like that. It comes off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And then you just clip the other one on. On the back of the Toyota parts, they actually do have instructions. It's pretty simple, so it doesn't take long. It takes maybe 5 minutes of your time. So any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.